And I have a YouTube channel. Hello. Are you ready to see some fireworks? Are you ready? This is called the Firework Show. Goodbye. Blowfish. Now, ready? Just watch.
Dude, you want to hear some funny ass shit?
I'm gonna post these videos too. Joey. I'm gonna make another video. So this is my mom.
What's up?
Say hi. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Well, hello.
Joey, say hi. I'm posting this on YouTube. Say hi. Wave. That's my stepdad. He's on the phone right now. And this is me.
Yeah, I'm over here at my house.
Now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah, you can go see my friend for a sec.
Ah, shit.
And see my friend over there? They're not doing no fireworks or anything. They're just playing basketball. Say hi. Say hi to him.
No, shit, Sophie's about to come by. We're about to bring.
I was just about to go over there with my phone and I was gonna be like,
Shoot off some fireworks.
Say hi.
Y'all can come over here if y'all want.
we're setting off my fireworks. Looking,
Yeah, you guys are more than welcome. We'll be over here at my house.
Joey,
Alright.
let's shoot off this.
Is he looking for you and your mom?
No, he said he's at To's house. Called me to see if we wanted to go
Here,
over
shoot
there
off
and
this.
hang out. He said,
My stepdad's
got a
gotta shoot
bottle.
off that.
what, this Roman candle?
Yeah, you gotta shoot it off and you gotta show them.
Bottle and shit. If we wanted to go over there and hang out.
Tell him you gotta shoot it off. Tell him.
We have
I'm gonna
50
shoot
kids.
it off.
Yep, you gotta shoot it off. Now watch! Watch this! Ready? Are you ready? Bye! I hope they like my YouTube video. I'm actually gonna post it on YouTube. I have a channel. Yeah! We have other stuff too. But we're not gonna set those off because we already set them off. Look, we had those. There's another thing. There's this. There's this. Bye. I'll make a part 2. Bye.
You know them fireworks?